Moving on with assignment 16, reliability denotes, yeah, all of the above. Yeah, true. This should not be done. Yeah, manipulation, never do it. It's a crime, sin, pap. Supportive supervision is essential for a good data collection process. True. Yes. The collected data should be all of the above. Yeah, complete, readable, consistent. Yes. Which of the following are true about the training of data collection staff? A and B. Conduct on-site training. Yes. Conduct mock training. Yes. Which one of the following is a proper way of validating a data? Yeah, repetition of data collection and a randomly selected subset in the same population. Correct. Appropriate means to troubleshoot the difficulties in data collection process. Hmm. Yeah, all of the above. Correct. There is no need to present the study and its objectives to the field in false. There is a need, obviously. Which of the following is true regarding data collection for an epidemiological study? Reliability, yeah. Consistency of information. Accuracy is the ability of a measurement to be correct on an average. Correct. True. That is not, this is wrong. Feasibility, this is not feasibility. You all know what feasibility is. I have told you. A time pressure during data collection may result in dilution of data quality. True. A data collection tool should be valid and reliable. Yes. A neurosurgeon is planning for a hospital-based study on the patients coming to the medicine with head injury. Yeah, all of the above. Which of the following should not be done in relation to data collection? None of the above. Yeah. State whether true or piloting a data collection tool should be done under supervision. True. All of the following are true except a true about a question by question guide, except it helps participants on how to respond. No, it doesn't. Time pressure during data collection may result in dilution of, yes. Which of the following is a proper way of validating the data? Repetition, yes. Which of the following statement is true regarding data collection for an epidemiological study? Yeah, reliability, true. And accuracy, yes. Who is mainly responsible to check the accuracy? Field supervisor, yeah. Before leaving the location, someone who is there on the location, that will be the field supervisor. That's right. Then all of the following statements are true about training of data except on-site training. No, no, this is false. It is essential, yes. The ability of instrument to produce similar results on repeat. Yeah, this is reliability. RE, repeat reliability. RE, RE. Then the mean value of fasting blood sugar among 50 healthy volunteers. Okay, standard deviation. What can we know? Yeah, valid and reliable both. Yeah, because see, it is so close, right? 90, 88, 5, 4.7. Yeah, both. Which of the following is not used as a criterion to judge the quality of data collected in a study? External, yeah, because never, ever. Never, ever, ever. Because generalizability. EE, right? The following should not be done during data collection. Modifying, never do that. I had started my thesis and I completed it. In those 3 years, I never did any change to the objectives. Yeah. State whether true or false. Accuracy, able, yes, true. Follow correct sequence of steps in data collection. Yeah. Preparation of data collection guide. Yes. Training of the data collector. Yes. Then after that, you will check the data for completeness. Yes. And then you will validate it. Correct. State whether true and false. A data collection guidebook can be revised. True. Yeah. Guidebook can be revised. Yeah. The following should not be done. Using an early version. No, no, don't do this. Use the latest version. Yeah. Does not apply in checking the quality of filled forms. Statistical significance. Yeah, we will never see this. Yeah. During data, a strategist is faced with a situation where the participant refuses to answer. Okay, the middle. Appropriate. End the interview and report to the investigator. Yeah, that is the best thing. Okay, bye.